Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Hi, how you doing? I'm Dr. Andrés Aragoneses. I'm assistant professor at Eastern, but before here I taught at Carleton College in Minnesota, and before that at Duke University in North Carolina, and before that at the Polytechnic University of Catalonia in Spain, Europe, and the Autonomous University of Barcelona in Spain, and the University for Distance Learning also in Spain. I am doing research in complex dynamics in lasers, but before that I did some research in quantum optics and also in polymers and in cosmology. You can check all that on the internet. And I'm the one going to guide you through the amazing, exciting, impressive, sometimes hard, but always interesting and very convenient world of
Physics.
physics. If you're here because this is a requirement, or if you're here because you love the most passionate topic in the known universe, welcome. I'm going to work with you to help you learn the basics of the very best science of all. We will cover kinematics, how objects move and change motion. We will cover dynamics, the causes of those motions and changes of motion. We'll study some of the most important types of forces and energy, work, power, momentum, angular momentum, moment of inertia. All these concepts will become familiar to you, and you'll use them even when you go to the grocery store. At least I do. How's the course going to be structured? This is a synchronous course. This means that we have a place and time to meet every week. As a matter of fact, we have 3 times to meet each week. Lectures will be delivered in videos. The videos for each week will be posted the Friday before. All the material, videos, readings, and homework will be. You will have all weekend and Monday to watch them. Then we'll meet on Tuesday, Thursday, and some Fridays. On our Tuesdays meetings, we'll solve doubts and engage in discussions. On our Thursday and Friday meetings, we'll solve homework problems. The meetings will be recorded and posted so you can watch them again and again, or in case you couldn't make it. This course and all its structure, its assignments, its meeting times and exams have been thoroughly thought for you to learn and master the content. Check the syllabus on the Canvas website. There will be sets of homework problems. The goal of those problems is that you practice and gain confidence in physics. We'll solve them in class and I will not collect them. Homework is not a tool for me to grade you, but a tool for you to practice and find weaknesses that need strengthened. We'll have an exam every other week. Those exams will be about the content of the previous 2 weeks. There will not be a final exam unless you require it. If you don't like your average grade by week 9, you can take the final exam. The final exam will be on all the material of the course, and your grade in that exam will be your final grade. But you don't need to take it if you don't want to. It's just another opportunity for you in case you did poorly. Exams will have some multiple choice questions, some short exercises, and some long problems that you will have to write on a sheet of paper, and you will send it to me by email. I'll be available for you in office hours for clarifications and discussion, or just to talk about any topics of physics or even science fiction if you are interested in. Use office hours, and also use office hours. Do not allow to miss any idea, any equation, or any misunderstanding from being clarified. Ask me questions. Use office hours. Make sure you read the syllabus. Do not assume anything. Go ahead and read it to make sure you understand everything. If there's anything you don't understand or anything that you don't like, let me know. The first week, I'm open to discussion. Use office hours. Be aware that this course is not going to be a walk in the woods. Well, Maybe a walk in the woods with a werewolf hiding somewhere. So you should not relax and you have to be on top of all the material. This is the basis for the future courses on physics. It is the ABC of physics. You need to put time and effort. You need to solve all the homework problems before we solve them in class. You need to watch all my lectures, and you need to read all the assigned readings from the textbook. If you do that, it won't be hard to pass it. Although I want you to think critically, think like a scientist. So in order to train you for that, there will be a few challenging physics problems along our path. About the textbook, I'll use an open access textbook from OpenStax. The link is on the Canvas course page. Other professors might be using Resnick and Halliday. That's a good textbook too. And if you prefer a paper one, well, that's the option. You can also follow my course with it. In this course, there is no room for misconduct. There is zero tolerance towards sexism, racism, xenophobia, or any kind of discrimination. Everyone is encouraged to participate in discussion by listening to others. Always with respect for the persons, but intolerance will be exterminated. Exterminate! Exterminate! Again, you need to put the time and effort. You need to want to learn. I am not going to teach you. I am going to help, guide, coach you to learn physics. I'll put all my tools and knowledge in that direction with engaging and clear lectures, with suitable problems, with research-based activities and discussions, with availability to chat. Use office hours. Did I say that? But the learning takes place inside your brain, and that's up to you. Physics is one of the most important topics you're going to take in college. It teaches you tools to ask nature. It trains your brain to think critically. It shows you how to solve problems. It allows you to think further. It opens your vision of the world, of the universe. Use wisely your time. Use office hours. And may the science be with you.